Whether what you want to create is a play or a poem or a new business venture or a fabulous meal or just a more beautiful day, this meditation will help you to tap into your creative juices, to spark the creative flow of energy that already exists within you. So wherever you are, whether it's standing or sitting, just let your eyes close. And bring your hands to your belly. And as you inhale, big deep breath, feel your hands lift. And as you exhale, the hands drop. Inhale, the belly fills with breath as if the creative energy that already exists down in your belly is being fed by this breath, by this stream of prana. Nice, easy inhales and exhales. A steady stream, like a river, of give and take, of the creative energy of the universe flowing through you, of which you are a part. And with eyes staying softly closed, with the breath staying deep and full, just bring the palms together and rub them together rapidly. Create a fire between your palms. Keep going. Keep the breath easy. And then with shoulders soft, just let the palms separate just a few inches. Relax the shoulders, relax the face. And now very slowly, without ever letting the palms touch, begin to let them move toward one another. Maybe just a very small, subtle movement. And then slowly apart. Just a small, subtle pulse of the palms in and out. And right now you might be feeling between your palms the sense of magnets that you're playing with, or taffy, or like you're holding a ball of light between your hands. Just play with that ever so subtly. And as that stream of prana, your life force, your creative juices starts to dissipate that sensation just a little bit, just bring the palms now onto your closed eyes and breathe in that remaining light. Breathe it right down from your palms down into your belly. And again, bring your awareness to that pool of creative energy that lives right there with your breath, fed by the breath. You are in this steady stream of the creative energy of the universe. And as you're ready, let the palms come together now, just in front of the heart. And let the head bow to that energy, offering it a namaste, or Jai Bhagwan.